Good morning students. And the next problem is question I wrote on the board. What is the question is, you are able to see the question. It is total fixed cost is 1,20,000, total variable cost is 2 lakhs, direct wages is given 1,50,000 and direct material is given as 4,10,000, sales is 10 lakhs. So what he told us to calculate? He told us to calculate break even point. Okay, so break even point formula is what? So I am writing here, break even point is equal to fixed cost by PV ratio. Okay, so what is the formula for break even point? Fixed cost by PV ratio. Here, so PV ratio we should calculate. So for calculating fixed cost, we want variable cost. So variable overheads is given, direct wages is given, direct materials is given. If you add these two, you are going to get variable cost. So what is variable cost now? 4,10,000. 3 we are adding. 3, 7,30,000. Variable how much you are getting? 7,30,000 you are getting. So how you are getting 7,30,000? You see 2 lakhs plus 1,50,000, 3,50,000 plus 4 lakhs, 7,50,000. 7,50,000 plus 10, 7,60,000. Okay, 7,60,000 you are getting. Understood? So we want a PV ratio. Why? For calculating BEP, we want PV ratio. So I am calculating PV ratio here. You are able to see, I think. I am able to calculate PV ratio. PV ratio formula is equal to C by S into 100. Okay. C is equal to S minus 1. So S is given as how much? 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is given minus 7,60,000. Okay, minus 7,60,000. If you do, how much are you getting? 2,40,000. 2,40,000 is what now? C. Okay, I am applying here. 2,40,000 divided by 10 lakhs. Okay, into 100. You are able to get the point here. You are able to understand. Okay. You are getting 24%. How much you are getting? You are getting 24%. Clear? 2,40,000 divided by 10 lakhs if you do, you are getting into 100 if you do, you are getting 24%. So I am calculating BEP now again. Okay, what is BEP formula? Fixed cost by PV ratio. Okay, so fixed cost. What is fixed cost value given in the question? 1,20,000. Okay, divided by PV ratio is 24%. If you do this, you are going to get the answer. Okay, 1,20,000 divided by 24%. You are getting 5 lakhs. What is the answer? 5 lakhs is the answer. Clear? So please note down this problem. Once again I am repeating you. So the question is given. The given information is, he told us to calculate BEP. Fixed overheads is given as 1,20,000. Variable overheads is given as 2 lakhs, direct wages 1,50,000, direct materials 4,10,000, sales 10 lakhs. Variable cost we should calculate. So how you are calculating variable cost? If you add these three, 1, 2 and 3, that is 2 lakhs, 1,50,000 and 4,10,000. If you add, you are getting 7,60,000. Okay, this is what now? Variable cost. So we are calculating PV ratio. What is the PV ratio formula? C by S into 100. So we should calculate C. See how we are calculating C. C is equal to S minus V. That is 10 lakhs minus 7,60,000. If you do, you got 2,40,000. So 2,40,000 divided by 10 lakhs, if you do, you got 24%. Okay. So I am applying the formula, that is fixed cost by PV ratio. Fixed cost is 1,20,000 divided by 24%. If you do, you got 5 lakhs. This is one more problem. Okay, please note down all of you. Please note down the question, all of you. Please note down the problem. It is very clearly written on the board. Please note down. So next question I wrote. Next question, you are able to see the next question. So what he told us to calculate? He told us to calculate margin of safety. Okay, margin of safety, we have 3-4 formulas. According to the given information, we are going to apply the formula here. Okay, so sales, how many units are given? 4,000 units. How many units are given here? You can see 4,000 units are given into 25 rupees each. Okay, he gave us 1 lakh. Next, variable cost is given. Variable cost how much is given? 72,000 is given. Fixed cost is given 6 lakh 16,800. So what he told us to calculate? Margin of safety he told us to calculate. So margin of safety formula I am writing. Margin of safety, we have 4 formulas. According to the question only we are going to apply the formula. So margin of safety formula is profit by PV ratio. Okay, so I am calculating PV ratio. I hope you all got the formula of PV ratio now. By this time, C by S into 100. Okay, so we are calculating C. C is equal to S minus V. S is 1 lakh given in the question. Variable cost is given as 72,000. So 1 lakh minus 72,000 if you do, you are going to get 18,000. Once again I am checking. So you are going to get 28,000. Okay. So PV ratio, now we should calculate C by S into 100, that is 28,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100. Okay, so PV ratio is 25%. So we should calculate profit again. Okay, so for calculating profit, one more formula is there. What is one more formula for calculating profit? What is the formula for profit is? Profit is equal to sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost. Sales is how much? 1 lakh. PV ratio is 28%. Okay, and the fixed cost is how much? 16,800. So first I am doing these two. That is 1 lakh into 28%. I am doing first. Okay. $28,000 you are getting. 28,000 minus 16,800. So 11,200 is the answer. So how you got 11,200? Sales into PV ratio, that is 1 lakh into 28% is 28,000. After getting 28,000, you will subtracted 16,800, that is 11,200. Clear? So please note down the problem. Very, very important. So I request everyone to note down the problem. Very important problem. Margin of safety, sales is given as units and per unit is given 25 each and it is 10,000. Variable cost is 72,000, fixed cost is 16,800. You are able to see margin of safety formula. Margin of safety formula is given as profit by PV ratio. Okay, so profit by PV ratio. Okay, still the problem is pending. Okay, 11,200 you got. So 11,200 is what profit. 11,200 by 28% you should do. So you are getting 40,000. So 40,000 is the final answer. Clear? So we calculated PV ratio. PV ratio formula is C by S into 100. That is 28,000 by 1 lakh into 100 is 28%. How you got this 28,000 is 1 lakh minus 72 if you do, you got 28. Okay, so we calculated PV ratio. PV ratio is 25%, 28%. Now we are calculating profit. Profit formula is what? Sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost. Okay, 1 lakh into 28%, 16,000. 28,000 minus 16,000 is 11,200. Okay, we applied the formula. The formula is what? Profit by PV ratio. That is 11,200 you got from there. 11,200 by 28% if you do, you got 40,000. So this is the answer. Please note down all of you. It is very, very, very important problem. I request everyone to note down. And later on don't say that we did not explain the problems. So whole problem is visible. You can note down the whole problem. Please note down.